Welcome back to NewsRamp Business and Corporate for Monday morning, March 2nd, 2026. As always, real news stories with AI narration. Visit newsramp.com for the full articles. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Here we go. Stonegate Capital Partners updates coverage on VINTE Viviendas Integrales Q4 2025. Stonegate Capital Partners updates coverage on VINTE Viviendas Integrales, highlighting the company's growth in the housing ecosystem. With initiatives like Sante's strong sales in early 2026 and Casa Bravo's rent-to-own platform, VINTE is expanding beyond traditional home building. Revenue and EBITDA show positive trends, with FY26 expected to see further growth. Stonegate Capital Partners provides investor relations and equity research services for public companies. Premier Graphene Inc., affiliate HGI, Industrial Technologies, SADPI DCV, Advanced Industrial Hemp Import Permits and Licensing Operations. Premier Graphene Inc.'s affiliate, HGI Industrial Technologies, is making strides in the industrial hemp sector, initiating import permits in Mexico. The company is gearing up for compliant cross-border operations, with COFEPRIS authorization in place. This move sets the stage for low-cost nearshoring and international partnerships within the industry.
Angkor Resources announces stock option grant. Angkor Resources Corp. has granted 4,275,000 stock options to directors, management, and consultants under its rolling stock option plan. Each option is exercisable at $0.36 per share, based on the closing price on February 27, 2026. Directors and administrative consultants' options expire in 3 years, while management options expire in 12 months. Angkor is a leading resource optimizer in Cambodia, focusing on mineral and energy solutions.
Renewal Fuels Inc., operating as American Fusion, announced completion of Kepler Fusion transaction and advancement of regulatory and audit milestones. Renewal Fuels Inc., operating as American Fusion, has completed the Kepler Fusion transaction, advancing SEC registration, PCAOBT audit completion, and FINRA name and ticker transition. The acquisition closed officially, with the audit nearing completion. The company is progressing towards SEC reporting with Form 10 filing and EDGAR access underway, while also expanding Texatron T Fusion platform patents.
First Canadian Graphite Inc. appoints Michael Iverson to the board of directors. First Canadian Graphite Inc. announces the appointment of Michael Iverson to its board of directors. With over 2 decades of experience in the resource sector, Mr. Iverson brings a wealth of knowledge to the company. His expertise in strategic planning and corporate governance will be instrumental as First Canadian Graphite continues to advance its graphite projects in Quebec.
Upside Gold advances diamond drilling program for the Canna Gold Copper property in British Columbia. Initial results show wide gold mineralization, including 178 meters at 0.36 grams per ton A, 1.8 grams per ton Ag, and 534 parts per million Cu. The first phase of drilling has identified significant gold mineralization with elevated copper and silver values, prompting plans for future drilling in June to further explore the area.
Institutional confidence in Golden Matrix Group GMGI strengthens in Q4 2025. In Q4 2025, institutional confidence in Golden Matrix Group GMGI strengthened significantly. Top-tier global banks like UBS plus 117, 1%, Morgan Stanley plus 224%, and Deutsche Bank plus 224% expanded their positions. Whetstone Capital Advisors initiated a major stake, while Topline Capital Management doubled its holding. Blue-chip names like Citadel, BNY Mellon, and State Street also increased their support. For more information, visit the company's website.
Travaleo launches 2.0 platform to advance branded luxury as a defined investment asset class. Travaleo LLC, a real estate investment and development platform, has unveiled Travaleo 2.0 to elevate branded luxury as a distinct investment asset class. The enhanced digital platform aims to institutionalize luxury real estate investment by offering a streamlined interface and diverse investment options. This move aligns with Travaleo's goal to establish branded luxury as a defined asset allocation strategy within modern portfolios, providing investors with access to curated funds and individual projects across various geographies and asset types. U.S. Defense Logistics Agency awards historic contract to REalloys TERSLLC to scale domestic rare earth metal production. The USDLA has awarded a historic contract to REalloys TERSLC to scale domestic rare earth metal production. REalloys is advancing a 300-ton per year modular production facility to deploy and scale domestic SM and GD metal capacity. This contract marks a breakthrough for U.S. national security by strengthening critical supply chains for defense and energy metals.
3. A Clean helps large commercial facilities in Denver. 3. A Clean is meeting the demand for scalable cleaning in large commercial facilities across Denver. With a focus on high square footage environments, the company offers proactive planning, detailed onboarding, and consistent follow-through. Serving properties in Denver, Lakewood, Aurora, and more, 3A Clean aligns labor resources, safety standards, and communication systems for corporate offices, warehouses, and other large facilities. Learn more at 3aclean.com.
Personalized wealth management designed for life's most important goals. Potomac Wealth Management, LLC, offers personalized wealth management and financial planning services to individuals and businesses nationwide. With over 40 years of experience, their team of advisors creates customized plans aligned with clients' goals and risk tolerance. By focusing on cost efficiency and portfolio diversification, they aim to support long-term financial clarity. Contact Potomac Wealth Management, LLC for tailored financial strategies designed for success.
Poets&Quants has named a new leadership team to lead next era of business education coverage. Founder John A's Byrne will retire, passing the torch to Sat Sharma as managing director, Mark Ethier as editor-in-chief, and Polo Lim as executive editor. The team aims to expand multimedia storytelling, enhance global coverage, develop data-driven insights, and strengthen partnerships with business schools and industry organizations.
Alsco Uniforms recognized at 2026 TRSA Industry Awards for Service, Sustainability, and Leadership. Alsco Uniforms was recognized at the 2026 TRSA Industry Awards for their outstanding service, sustainability, and leadership. The prestigious awards, presented by the nonprofit trade association TRSA, highlight excellence in the linen, uniform, and facility services industry. Alsco Uniforms received multiple gold-level awards, including the Above and Beyond Service Award and the Clean Green Sustainability Award. Their commitment to sustainability and innovation was praised by industry leaders.
Private markets leading decision-makers to reconvene in Berlin for SuperReturn International, June 8th through 12th. Private equity and venture capital decision-makers are set to gather in Berlin for SuperReturn International from June 8th through 12th, 2026. With over 6,000 attendees from 80-plus countries and more than $50 trillion in assets under management, the event will feature key speakers such as Anthony Scaramucci and Alison Rose. Topics include technology adoption, geopolitics, private wealth, and more. Visit the website for the full schedule and registration details.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.